Okay, let's do a coffee cup. So we're going to start with an ellipse. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to create another ellipse. Now that's going to be too small. I don't want it to fall over. Now this one's going to be kind of decorative. So we're going to curve the edges. I'm not happy with that. Whenever you curve an edge and you're not happy, if you'll flip it upside down, you'll be able to curve the edge the same way again. It's one of those secrets. Okay, I'm getting piggy. So, the other thing we need on our coffee cup is we're going to create a little C shape up here and down here. And then you can create your handle area. Now, I like the idea of it kind of going up and out like a heart, but if you don't like that, you can make it more square or more decorative. On the lid, we need to create an extra ellipse in here. This is the thickness in our wall. And then we're going to create just a half ellipse. Now, if our light comes from this side, that means that we're going to have a shadow here. And it's going to, and remember to round your lines. Don't leave them flat. And then we're going to also create, this line is going to create some thickness here, and then it's going to get lighter as it goes around. So our light's over there. Again, I'm curving this because I want my cup to look like it's curving. Sorry about the focus, guys. It's going, and notice I'm using lighter lines as I go across. Now, on our handle, this is underneath. And it gets lighter as it goes down. That area right there is dark. And then this back edge has a little bit of darkness to it. But it doesn't go up here because that's where our light is. And we're going to create just a little bit. Now, to make it more fun, we can even put our tea bag in there. And there we go.